Peace, love, and light, family. This is Essie the Gardener coming to you with another live video. Today I'm going to be working on my grow table and my square bins. I'm excited today because I received my Pak Choi seeds yesterday, and Pak Choi is a Chinese cabbage and it grows very well. It grows quick, and I will be planting those in my square bins that are on my grow table. They are excellent in a stir fry. You're probably familiar with it at the grocery store. Usually the grocery store have the big ones. And again, I have dwarf and extra dwarf, so they grow really small, and you can slice them up and you can do them in a stir fry, and they taste really, really good. So that's what I'll be working on today, and you guys stay tuned. Let me head on over to my growing table and stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm over here at my grow table and I'm just breaking up my soil. I'm going to be adding some more cow manure compost to give it some more nutrients and bring the soil back to life. And I'm actually just going to be planting two of my buckets right here. Not buckets, but kind of like a bin. And Pak Choi really grows quick, and they also like the cold weather. I grew some inside the early part of the spring, like in March, and they did really well in my house, but after time went by, I realized that they love the cold. So I am expecting a nice big yield after planting these today. And they grow really quick. Probably, I think it's like 20 days. Just a super quick vegetable. And again, I just added some more cow manure in my soil. Trying to get those nutrients back in here. Simple process. I'm going to add some earthworms castings, some worm castings. I'm going to add my Eco slow release fertilizer. Blood meal. You can always add your not blood meal, bone meal. I'm out of bone meal, but you can always add that in. It should do fine with just the bone meal and the worm casting. I'm just going to mix those in real good. I'm going to be attempting to plant some more lettuce seeds. My lettuce, I believe I went too far down in the soil, so my lettuce has not popped through. It has not broken through the soil yet, so I'm going to be attempting to put some more seeds in and make sure I don't go too far down. I'm pretty sure that's where I went wrong. So I'll actually be doing that today as well, but I'm just more excited about getting these bins planted with the Pak Choi. They are really, really small. But I'm going to get them planted today. I need to remove my gloves so I can get the seeds. So it really doesn't even make sense to try to show y'all these seeds because, again, they are super duper small. And what I'm going to do, my little handy dandy spoon, I'm going to use the end part of my spoon to poke little holes in and just add the seeds on in there. And You want to space them out. I would say about 2 to 3 inches apart. And I'll bring you guys in closer so that you can see. Again, I got to make sure I don't go too far down because I want my seeds to germinate, and that's where I went wrong. It seemed like I got overly excited when planting and was putting my seeds too far down. So let me bring you guys in a little closer so you can see. Okay guys, so here we go. You see I made my little holes. I hope you guys can see that. But again, if you're gardening already, you should be familiar with how to, you can use your fingers just to poke holes in and just put your seeds in. So let me find my pack of seeds real quick and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm just dropping my seeds down in these little holes here, and I'm hoping that I don't go too far, and I think I did good this time. And I'm actually just gonna put one seed in each hole, at least to attempt to. And I do have the Pak Choi, the bigger Pak Choi that grows really big, kind of like a collard green. And I think I'm going to plant those in my newly made raised bed over here. I'm sure I'm going to put those in there because the other ones grow really big, so they need space. And again, these are actually the dwarf size. So I'm going to come over here to my next bin and poke some more holes in here and plant some more. You want to space them out about 2 inches to 3 inches apart. And this is real simple, not a hard task. If you're a new gardener, this would be a good way to start with Pak Choi as well. Pak Choi, and again, radish grows really quick. So we just gonna put that seed there, work my way down, and wait for these things to germinate. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I hope you guys are sharing. I hope you guys are leaving some more tips for me as a new gardener. I've learned a lot from a lot of you guys, and I do appreciate the tips. I'm actually poking in some more holes. I want to use up this whole bag of seeds because I have a lot more seeds. And I'm just going to smooth it over like so, cover them up. I'm going to water them down, and as they grow, I will probably add some mulch to it, but you really don't, I don't think you really need no mulch for these because they don't take long to germinate, and you'll be harvesting these really fast. So I don't think I even will use the mulch. It's amazing what comes out of these little tiny seeds. Okay, you guys, I'm about to wrap it up with these bins. I think okay, you guys, so just going to smooth some of this soil over. You want to lightly cover them, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them some fish emulsion fertilizer, and hopefully they get off to a really good start. I'm going to be working into the yard. I'm gonna be doing out with the old and in with the new, because I got to get rid of some of these cucumber vines, which is just, they are totaled. It doesn't even make any sense to hang on to those. And I'm undecided what I'm going to plant out there, but I might do some more winter squash and probably some more winter lettuce out here. So you guys, I thank you for watching my channel. You guys like, subscribe, and share. And you guys stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much. Peace, love, and light. Okay, you guys, so I got my 2 bins planted with my Pak Choi. I got 2 done. And yeah, this is an easy grower again, just like radish. It takes about 20-25 days. So if you're a new beginner, this is a very easy crop to grow. They are delicious and they grow fast. So again, you guys, I thank you for watching my video. I ask that you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. Share. And I thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and light, family. This is Essie the Gardener, and I'm out.